The other, as in Ficus, extends forwards. Other algae have more than 2 flagella. This cell has 8, inserted into a deep pit. It normally swims very rapidly and had to be slowed down to have its picture taken. Large protists like Paramecium swim rapidly using hundreds or even thousands of flagella, or cilia as they are usually called. They are very agile as they search amongst the pond debris for food. Beating of the cilia is coordinated, and the direction of beating is reversed when the cell changes the direction it wants to go. This cell, like the last ones, had to be slowed down in a sticky solution so that it could be photographed.
Usually, vacuoles are not considered as part of life protoplasma, but it constitutes storage for useful material and waste. Difference between animal and plant cell vacuole are plant vacuole is larger than animal vacuole.
Many plant cells also have large sacs called vacuoles. A vacuole contains fluid consisting of water, sugars, and other things. A vacuole full of fluid is like a balloon full of water and keeps a plant cell rigid. When the vacuoles of a plant cells lose their fluid and dry out, the cells can no longer provide rigid support. As a result, the plant wilts.
Plastid is a large organelle found in cytoplasm most plant cells, except fungi. Plastid doesn't found in animal cells. It only have in plant cells. Plastids can be divided into 3 groups. First, chromoplast. It is color plastid because of present coloring pigment. Second, leucoplast. It is plastid without color because there is no coloring pigment. Third is chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are plastid with a green pigment. In all plastid, chloroplast is most important because of photosynthesis.
Most of the living world runs on the energy provided by the sun, and that transfer from solar energy into chemical energy happens through an amazing process called photosynthesis. And photosynthesis happens in a specialized organelle called chloroplasts. Let's take a closer look into a chloroplast. As we make our way past the outer membrane, we'll see that the chloroplast is filled with a thick fluid that's called stroma. And within this stroma are large stacks called thylakoids, and they're stacked much like a big stack of pancakes. These thylakoids are arranged in what we call grana, which are just going to be the stacks. Thylakoids is the exact location where photosynthesis actually occurs. Embedded in the thylakoid membrane are antenna complexes, which consist of pigments like chlorophyll and carotenoids, as well as proteins that help bind those special pigments. Antenna complexes work to help increase surface area as well as increase the wavelength range that the pigments can absorb.
Difference number 8 are centrosome and centriole. Centrosome is organelle that is usually found in animal cells. Centrosome is referred to an area that is more clear in cytoplasm. It is contain a pair of particles, each known as centriole. Centrosome often found adjacent to the nucleus membrane. It is also known as microtubules organizing center, where microtubules produce.
All eukaryotic cells have a microtubule organizing center near the nucleus, called the centrosome. During cell division, the centrosome produces a football-shaped array of microtubules called the spindle apparatus that separates chromosomes and divides them between the two new daughter cells. In animal cells, a pair of organelles called centrioles are located by or in the centrosome. Centrioles are short, barrel-shaped rings with 9 microtubule triplets forming their outer edge.
So remember, difference between plant animal and cell animal are size, shape, cell wall, pinocytosis, flagella, vacuole, plastid, and centriole. Thank you for watching.